In the hospitality industry, the top priority is to ensure the guest safety at all times. In this video, our group will show you how to deal with an intoxicated guest using the take care method. This ensures the safety, professionalism, and respectful service. Tell early. In order to let the guests enjoy their experience, you should be aware of the early indication of intoxication.
Avoid put-downs. Instead of outright refusing to offer alcohol to a guest, try to put them down by delaying your service, but not too long as this could annoy them. If this doesn't work, consider using alibis or white falsehoods to keep the visitor from potentially becoming an issue. Just always keep in mind to treat guests with respect and never disclose the visitor's condition.
Keep calm. There will be times when a drunk visitor will speak rudely to you. Don't take anything personally. Instead, make an effort to speak in a calm and composed manner. The issue will only get worse if you use loud or menacing language or tones.
Ever courteous. In addition to being kind and professional, you must show the visitor respect. Avoid being aggressive and harsh towards the individual. Use sir or his family name whenever you address the visitor.
You must explain to the visitor on why they are denied accessibility to the premises, a drink, or the opportunity to stay there. When providing explanations, always be realistic. Don't become sentimental or intimate towards the drunk visitor.
Alternatives. You must be ready to offer and describe a variety of options that will assist the visitor to get better, such as eating a meal or switching to non-alcoholic beverages.
Report. Be sure to let others know what's going on. You could be obliged to document events as they occur and the strategy used for legal purposes.
Echo. If the visitor is accompanied, you can let a buddy know and provide an explanation for the behavior. If the visitor is a frequent visitor, you can justify their behavior at the proper moment. Always keep in mind that in order to prevent endangering your customers, you should always ensure their comfort and safety while they are in the area you manage.